सारी साइड पे देखिएगा
सर सिर्फ देखें
सर इस तरफ देखें सर इस तरफ
सारी
देखें
साइड पे देखिए ऐसे सामने
This is little hot. Please come. Security. This is to welcome you in the.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, that's right. So,
This is very important event that the government of Pakistan, especially the task force of Gandhara, has been organized. We are very grateful that the monks and also the experts from many countries has been invited to come and make a contribution and also the advice on how to promote the Gandhara civilization. Gandhara civilization is not only about Buddhism; it's also about the civilization that Pakistani and this land and these people has been inherited for a long time. Our suggestion is to promote the Gandhara civilization as a whole, as the academic and also with the beautiful places here, both ancient and natural resources. I believe that any people would come to visit Pakistan, they would impress with not only the sites but also the people of Pakistan. The monks was here before. He was the abbot of a temple in Thailand, and of course there will be more people come and visit Pakistan, tourists, monks, and I would like to emphasize that it's not only about religious, it's about culture, it's about heritage, and about people.
The care, the beard, the Minister art, and the animal, seasons and partners of influence, as well as that the Dara art, the blend of Hellenistic, Greek, Roman, and the local art.
Okay, so I think this is a very big step for Pakistan, and I think that it shows the commitment, particularly of the government and the Directorate of Archaeology and Museums, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, to making links with countries where there are significant Buddhist populations and making it easy and attractive for them to visit, for Buddhist monks and nuns to reconnect with their Buddhist heritage here in Gandhara, because after all Taxila is one of the most important Buddhist places in the ancient world. I think that's very important, and this is a massive step forward, and I think everyone involved is to be hugely congratulated and to be encouraged so that not just Buddhist monks and nuns can come, but lay people, lay Buddhists, anyone who is a Buddhist, or indeed anyone who is interested in plural religious heritages, interested in Buddhism and in future interested in Sikh heritage, Hindu heritage, Muslim heritage, all of which you have in great wealth here in Pakistan and particularly in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.
you have frequently participated in many events on the Gandhara. So how you see that how steps should be taken by the Pakistan so that we have fetched the religious tourists from Buddhist countries?
Well, I think more events like this is a good thing. Making it easy to get visas, not just for religious tourists, but also for independent travellers. And I think that's a really important thing too. You know, if you want to encourage people to come to Pakistan and you want these people to go back out into the world and give a good account of Pakistan into the international world, the global world, then making it easy for people to come in, making it attractive for people to come in is very important.
Now, JICA has supported multi-billion support to the Pakistan for restoration of the museum and the religious site. How you think that developed countries and UNESCO should support Pakistan financially to address these issues of restoration and like these issues?
I think probably more important is giving them skills. I don't know that it's so much about providing lots of finance and lots of money, but it's about sustainable activities. So it's about training and capacity building. I think that's probably the most important thing, anything to do with conservation or archaeology or heritage.
Thank you.
देखिए ये अब स्टार्ट है और बहुत ही अच्छा और बड़ा बिग इनिशिएटिव है। आपको पता है फेडरल गवर्नमेंट ने ये टास्क फोर्स बनाई, उसमें तमाम सूबे उसका हिस्सा हैं। हम भी पंजाब से उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं और उस विजन के साथ जो फेडरल गवर्नमेंट की है उसके साथ इंशाल्लाह हम चलेंगे। और उसकी जो गंधारा ट्रेल है, उस गंधारा ट्रेल का एक बड़ा सिग्निफिकेंट हिस्सा हमारे पंजाब में, जैसे आप आज यहाँ खड़े हैं टैक्सला में, अभी हम धर्माराजी का लेकर जाएंगे और बाकी भी ऊपर तक पेशावर एंड गिलगित बल्तिस्तान तक ये जो पूरी ट्रेल है, ये सारी ट्रेल जब तक हम सारे सूबे मिलकर इकट्ठे काम नहीं करेंगे, एक सिंक्रोनाइज्ड एफर्ट नहीं होगी, उस वक्त तक इस चीज़ को शोकेस करना मुश्किल है। अभी जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, अभी आप जो लोग यहाँ आए हैं, जिस रिलीजियस ज़ील के साथ यहाँ पे वो प्रे कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह से वो इन रैलिक्स को देख रहे हैं, उससे आपको बड़ा अच्छा अंदाज़ा हो जाएगा कि ये कितनी कीमती और कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं हमारे पास। उसकी सिर्फ एक मिसाल मैं दे देता हूँ कि जैसे आपने अभी हमारे साथ ही के केस में ये बुद्धा का जो दांत है, जो दुनिया में सिर्फ 2 हैं, एक कैंडी में है श्रीलंका में और दूसरा हमारे पास है, ये भी डिस्प्ले पे नहीं था। अब अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि ये भी एक स्पेशल किस्म का ग्लास है, स्पेशल केस है, सिक्योरिटी वाला केस है, बुलेट प्रूफ केस है, जिसके अंदर इसको डिस्प्ले किया गया और इंशाल्लाह आने वाले दिनों में ये बहुत बेहतर होगा। तो हम सबको उम्मीद रखनी चाहिए और मिलजुल के इसको आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए।
प्रतिपद्धिया बुद्धं पूजे हिमाय धम्मे पुण्यं सब्बे सत्ता अनुमोदन्तु।
I came to the 2021, there is so many security and so many guards are there, but now it will be released, it already released, and we are now, we can go everywhere very independently, no need to so many securities and guards also. Then there is some kind of extremist and terrorism problems. I think it will be very soon be resolved. At that time when I was come to this 2021, at that time there is some kind of conservation and other things also. I think more conservation and more facilities will be developed this area also.
Thank you.
First of all, I welcome all the most vulnerable monks and vulnerable monks, distinguished guests from different countries. So before I start my praise briefing, I want that they could also know the name and from which country. So Excellency from South Korea. From South Korea. Excellency from the Vietnam. Vietnam.
I'm from Malaysia.
Malaysia. From Nepal.
We are also from Nepal.
Nepal.
I'm from Thailand. Okay, Thailand.
Sri Lanka.
From Myanmar.
From Cambodia.
From Cambodia. So it is a great honor for me and for the people of my beloved country that everybody is welcoming you. All my state missionaries welcoming you, facilitating you, and it is a great honor for us that today, before this stupa, I am praying to fulfill my dream with your blessings. ये मेरे लिए आज बहुत ही अच्छा है कि जो मिशन मैंने शुरू की और उस मिशन के ऊपर मैं अपनी संस्कृत ज़बान में कहता हूँ मोक्ष को महात्मा, जैसे आप लोग उल्मा कहते हैं, कोई महात्मा कहते हैं, कोई मोंक कहता है, कोई पंडित कहता है। तो ये सब के एक रिश्ता होता है मालिक के साथ डायरेक्ट, जो उनकी प्रेइंग, इनकी टीचिंग और जो उनका एक लिंक होता है, जो उनकी इस दुनिया में इंसानियत के लिए खिदमत होती है, ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। और इतने शॉर्ट टाइम के अंदर सारा कुछ ऐसा गुलदस्ता बन जाना, ऐसा माहौल बन जाना, ऐसे मुझे भी साथी मिल जाना, ऐसा मैं समझता हूँ ये ब्लेसिंग है स्पेशली मेरे ऊपर, कि मेरी जो मंजिल थी उस मंजिल को तय करने के लिए मालिक ने जो मुझे एक रास्ता दिया कि आज हम टैक्सला का म्यूज़ियम देख के और आज हम धर्मराज का स्तूपा के नीचे यहाँ पे आशीर्वाद भी ले रहे हैं, दुआएं भी ले रहे हैं, ब्लेसिंग भी ले रहे हैं, और साथ में इन सब का यहाँ पे होना मैं समझता हूँ कि पाकिस्तान के फ्यूचर के हवाले से, पाकिस्तान की ओरिजिनल कायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना की थीम के हवाले से, उनके विजन के हवाले से एक ये शुरुआत है। और आज हमारे नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल मीडिया के थ्रू जब दुनिया के अंदर ये क्लिप्स जाएंगी कि द मोस्ट वनरेबल मॉन्क्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कंट्रीज are visiting Pakistan, and in the open sky they are praying before the stupa, I think it is a message to change the mindset of the people of the international community that Pakistan is ready to welcome you, to assist you, to facilitate you to visit the Buddhist site, because the start of the Buddhism is from the Pakistan. So our next step will be in the Sawat, from where the Buddhism starts. So it is an honor, the ambassador from Sri Lanka and Thailand, already they have accompanied in so many programs, but they are more interested, Vietnam ambassador more interested. So it is I think it is an initiative. ये एक शुरुआत है, और ये शुरुआत जो है वो अच्छे मकसद के लिए। जब एक अच्छे मकसद के लिए, इंसानियत के लिए, किसी धर्म की खिदमत के लिए, किसी मज़हब की खिदमत के लिए आप अच्छा जब काम करते हैं तो खुदा की ब्लेसिंग भी ऐसी होती है। और जो आज ये लोग मेरे साथ खड़े हैं, इनके भी दिल से, जैसे उस दिन द रेस्पेक्टेड मोस्ट वनरेबल फ्रॉम मलेशिया, शी टोल्ड दैट हार्ट टचिंग मोमेंट्स, टू मच फीलिंग्स, ये बहुत कुछ था। मैं चाहूँगा कि ये भी जो है वो एक अपनी ज़बान में जो है वो बात करें, कि एक मैसेज आए, जिस भी ज़बान में बात करें उस ज़बान को आप चलाएं, कि लोग उनको सुने कि वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं, कि उनको उनकी ज़बान में मैसेज है। मैसेज सेंटर में आवाज़ ताकि सेंटर में आ जाए। इवन इन योर लैंग्वेज, यस, everybody in their language.
So much a feeling when I am here in very amazing ancient stupa from 3rd century BC. So great Buddhist heritage here in Taxila, and Buddhists all over the world win hand by hand to with Pakistan to preserve and promote very important Buddhist heritage here, and I come again and again and bring with my follower to visit very ancient stupa. Thank you.
很谢谢巴基斯坦政府还有官员让我来这里，我感觉到是回到了故乡。谢谢巴基斯坦，谢谢你们保护了这块土地的所有佛教文化遗产，我们一起共修利益，大家一起来保护，大家一起来继续的发展。First, I'd like to thank Pakistan's government, all the officials, all of us. You're very important. You are the media. You try to expose the good news to the whole world. Pakistan is a very good country, especially Taxila, because this is a land of fragrance, good stone. Please let us use the stone to build this country, build your house, build the bridge. Let all the world people through the bridge come here and see, discovering our Pakistan, beautiful country, loving country. Thank you.
Sri Lanka a little bit loud. දෙදස්විසියකේ ආවට වඩා ලොකු ප්‍රගතියක් පාකිස්තානයේ විශේෂයෙන්ම බෞද්ධ සිද්ධාස්ථාන පිළිබඳව වර්තමාන පාකිස්තාන ධනරජයේ අරන් තිබෙන බව අප කාටත් උදාකාරව දකින්නට පුළුවන් වෙනවා. ඒ වගේම මේ හැම ස්ථානයකටම ඉතාමත්ම හොඳින් ආරක්ෂිත විධානත් ඒ වගේම සංරක්ෂණ කටයුතු දෘෂ්ටිගත කරන බව අපිට තිබෙනවා. ඊට අමතරව බුදුදහමේ ආభాෂය ලැබෙමින් මේ හැම ස්ථානයක්ම වඩාත් සංවර්ධනය කිරීම සඳහා වර්තමාන පාකිස්තාන රජයේ ගන්න උත්සාහයට අපෙන් පුළුවන් තරම් තම ආකාරයකින් ලාංකීය ජනතාවත් මේ බෞද්ධ සිද්ධාස්ථාන දරදීමට වන්දනාමාන කිරීමටත් විශේෂයෙන් ගන්ධාරයේ දළදා වහන්සේ වන්දනාමාන කිරීමට අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. ඒ නිසා මේ සියලු කටයුතු සම්පූර්ණයෙන් සාර්ථක වේවා උතුම් පෙරුවන්ගේ පිහිට ආරක්ෂා ලැබේවා කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා. I wish all the present government of Pakistan to they try to conserve and conserve all the Buddhist sites in the Pakistan. When I came to the Pakistan in 2021, then just now I can see they are trying to more effective for the conserve all the Buddhist places. Then all the world peoples can come to the Pakistan and worship and visit and tourists. All these sites are very very safe places for the all of the world. So I wish all will be the succeeded. All of your efforts will be the succeeded very soon. Annually, so many Buddhist people will gather there. Then your dream will be the success. Thank you so much.
So, các bạn cùng các nhà cầu bóng này và tôi trong một bó sát đó là Campuchia tôi đi vào được rất độc nông này còn cái đây có vấn đề đây có lọc lư là ta vì cả một sát na cho họในปากีสถานโรงพยาบาลเรียบจำในการมาโฆษณาให้เขาเป็นเงียบอะไรพวกศาสนาจิตเจริญเรียนตะกะไซลามเรียนใจก่อนเกี่ยวกับเรื่องความเป็นเรื่องเรามาลงในเรื่องนั้นเราไปแก้ได้ในชีวิตธรรมชาติ and just want to send a very simple message to all our Canadian people who really want to see the Gandhara civilization and Taxila is here. The people of Pakistan are so friendly, great hospitality. Please come to explore the cultural heritage. You can explore, you can experience and see very beautiful treasure here, more than you heard, more than you see through these pictures. This time you come and also thanks to the Pakistan government for this
उसका ड्राफ्ट मैंने सारे एम्बेसडर्स के साथ, सारी हाई कमीशन के साथ और आज मैं सारे मॉन्क्स के साथ भी शेयर कर रहा हूँ कि वो अपने मुल्क के अंदर जाएं, अपने फॉलोअर से पूछें, अपनी मुल्क से पूछें, उनकी पॉलिसी को देखें और इस गंधारा टूरिज़्म में, इस गंधारा सिविलाइजेशन में, इस प्रोटेक्शन में, इस प्रिवेंशन में, इस प्रमोशन में, इसकी एक्सकेवेशन में, हर चीज़ में हमारा साथ दें। तो आज ये ड्राफ्ट जो है मैं इनके साथ जो है वो शेयर कर रहा हूँ। ये अपने मुल्क में जाएंगे, ये अपने मुल्क से जाके बात करेंगे, बात करने के बाद ये वहाँ से भेजेंगे। मैंने एम्बेसडर्स को भी कहा है, सारे एम्बेसडर्स को भी दिया है कि यू विल डिस्कस इन योर कंट्री दिस ड्राफ्ट ऑफ द तक्षशिला डिक्लेरेशन. After your acceptance, you can send this draft back to us. So I will share. Thank you.